hit E to extrude it to reach this part over here. So just you should turn on the mirroring feature over here at the top, at the header over here. So then go over to the bottom over here, so we have extrude, then check it. It's gonna be mirroring these bones as shown here on this both sides, right and the left arm, like this. In this case, you may extrude arm bones from the tip of the shoulder bone, and they will be produced on either side of the armature. When extruding bones, position the tips at the appropriate joints in the character model, shoulder, elbow, and the wrist. So select the tip of bone, so extrude it over here, for example, to the wrist. So this is gonna be shown at the arm, and should put different tips of the bones on different joints. You have this joint, you have this joint, and the joint of the wrist between the arm and the wrist. So just select this to the bone tip, then extrude it, take it over here approximately as shown here, and you can see the bones on both sides of the 3D character model. So in order to see if we have created the bones at the appropriate areas like this, hit 3 for the side view as shown here. So let's just move them. Move this tip over here, hit G, then hit Y like this. So let's move it over here, and you can see that we have all the bones are not in the right place. So just you can move, so click to select the tip, then hit 3 for the side view, grab on the y-axis, just move it like this, and move this grab on the y-axis. I think that's not bad. Hit 7 for the top view. So let's see if we have the bones are in place or no. So just I want to set the position of the head bone like this. Hit 7 for the top view. So let's hit G, grab it on the y-axis like this. So just move it to the center of the body. So just select this tip like this, grab on the y-axis, hit 3 for side view. I think it's fine, it's in the right position. So just check this tip over here, so grab it for the neck. You should put and ensure that all the bones are in the right place, and to have this mirroring feature to mirror all the bones, and you don't need to repeat the same process different times. So let's continue creating the leg bones as shown here. To add a leg bones for the figure, repeat the process, use it for the arms. As I talked earlier, this time extruding from the base of the lower spine bone. At the first extrusion, check forked in the extrude panel. So let's extrude it like this. Take it to this place over here, then extrude it again. So let's Ctrl Z, Shift Ctrl Z like this. Then you should check forked, so like this, extrude. It's gonna be showing this little menu over here. Then just check forked in order to make the other part bone. Extrude like this to the bottom. So just move it up like this, extrude it. I think this will be fine and good. I do have just for the joints, so make sure that all these tips of the bones should be